What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got another NASCAR diecast unboxing for some brand new 1/64 scale diecast. We got two boxes here, both with some pretty cool new diecast. We're going to take them out one at a time and get into them right here, right now. Start off with this box. I think it's got less in it. So first up, this is the Ryan Preece number 60 for RFK, Mohawk, Northeast. So this is a pretty cool scheme, and I like Ryan Preece a lot. The new RFK car here. Pretty sweet. Pretty sure this is the scheme that's on track this weekend at New Hampshire. As of recording and uploading this, pretty sure this is on track at New Hampshire. So we get to see it. Next up, Austin Cindric, number 2, Freightliner Throwback for Team Penske, the Mustang. So, of course, one of the best throwbacks right here. No surprise there. This is one of the best. So that's second up. Let's see if I can get. So next up out of the box, Josh Berry's Motorcraft 2025 Mustang with the Wood Brothers 75th anniversary special box. 75 years of the Wood Brothers. Pretty sweet. Double sweet they could get a win in this car way early on in the season at Vegas to celebrate that big milestone they got this season. So pretty cool there. And then last out of the first box, Tyler Reddick 2025 Jordan brand Toyota for 2311 racing here. So pretty sweet. That's that first box. Let's move it out of the way, maybe. And get into the second box, move some of that. And we'll just take them out one at a time too. So first up, this is the Corey Day number 17, HendrickCars.com, Xfinity Series ride. And of course, if you ignore the names on here, you could call this the Bowman, the Larson, the Byron, the Elliott, number 17 Xfinity car. But Corey Day gets the release here. Pretty cool. Because that's just another new guy coming through. Next up, another Josh Berry with the special box. This is his throwback. We got the Motorcraft Throwback from the 2025 season. I really like this one too. Along with the Cindric from earlier in the video, I really like this one. So that's a pretty cool one right there. Next up, we've got the Dale Earnhardt Jr. Sundrop late model for 2025. Of course, this will be a pretty hot one to get. I'm excited to have it. Really like Sundrop in real life, and I also like Sundrop on this race car right here. And of course, he's going to be racing it here, there, everywhere, including coming up in my home state. He's going to be racing in North Carolina with this bad boy. Next up, we've got Kyle Busch, number 7, Gainbridge. This is the Atlanta Win truck. So, of course, nice for Kyle Busch to get in victory lane somehow, some way. truck series it is this season. Pretty cool truck. Next up, let's see here. We've got Ricky Stenhouse Jr.'s number 47, Martin's Famous Potato Rolls, number 47 here. Pretty nice. Hayek Motorsports, I believe, is the new name here for Stenhouse. Cool to get, since that's the new team name, cool to get a diecast there. Next up, this is the Kyle Larson, HendrickCars.com double diecast here for the cup side of it. So pretty sweet, just like 2024's version. 2025 looks great. So pretty nice, no complaints there. Pretty cool. And we've got one more coming out of the box, and best for last, maybe, question mark? William Byron's Exalted Darlington throwback for this 2025 season. And this is, of course, throwing it back to Jeff Gordon's 2015 Homestead Miami race, that what was supposed to be his final cup race before he filled in for Dale Jr. in 2016, but his last ride in the 24, we can say that. Right here, throwing it back. This is the 10-year anniversary of that. So pretty cool to see this in diecast form and getting a throwback. Jeff Gordon, my man, favorite of all time. And these throwbacks never, ever miss. So really, really excited for this one. Save the best for last, not on purpose. But here it is, the Byron. Let's see, we got the Barry, and we had the Cindric. So we got 3 throwbacks to go over here in this video there. We've got a late model. We've got a truck. We've got an Xfinity car. Whoops. And then we've just got some other exciting ones, but that will basically wrap this up. Let's get one more look down the line. Like this video, subscribe for more, and as always, leave a comment on which diecast from the video you liked the best, which ones you're looking forward to getting, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for checking this one out.